Hello, kindergarten ready friends. It's writing time. This week we are writing about elephants. We are doing information books and we are teaching others everything we know about elephants. So that is the first thing that we do when we write an information book. We ask ourselves, what are the things you know about your topic? And remember, our topic is elephants. Yesterday, we learned some things about where does an elephant live. So, we said, where does an elephant live? Do they live in the ocean? Do they live in the forest? Do they live in a desert? What about a grassland? We know that elephants do live in the grassland. That's their habitat. That means the place that they live. When we found that out, we were able to put that in our book as where this animal lives. So this was our very first page in our information book. We wrote, elephants live in Africa. That's our first page. Now we're going to work on our second page. So for our second page, friends, we are going to be asking ourselves this question. Our question is, what does it eat? What does an elephant eat? So think about what different animals might eat. Some animals do eat plants. Some animals eat nuts or grass. Some animals eat other animals like an insect or a small animal like a mouse, maybe a fish. Some bigger animals eat bigger animals. So there is so much to learn about what animals eat, and we want to know about what elephants eat. So that means we need to do what good writers do, which is we need to learn about your topic. There are lots of places that you can learn about your topic. This boy is using books to find out more facts and information. We also said that you can get facts and information from a device. You can go on the internet with your parents and look for information and videos about your topic. Maybe your topic is something you already know something about. Maybe you've been to the zoo and you've seen an elephant. That might be something else that you know about already. Some elephant facts from your experience. So we are going to go ahead and look at some books today and think about elephant information about what an elephant eats. I have this book that I shared yesterday. This book is called I Wish I Was an Elephant. And in this book, we are going to find out what an elephant eats. We already found out in this book where an elephant would live. Now we're going to turn to the page that tells us what an elephant would eat. I'm going to be reading on this page, and you can be a listener while I read the text. What would you eat if you were an elephant? Elephants eat leaves, grasses, and roots. They like fruit and twigs too. Elephants find food by using their keen sense of smell. They grasp food with their trunks. This is the trunk. And put it in their mouths. Their mouths are right underneath the trunk. Elephants need a lot of food, so they eat many times each day. Boys and girls, what do you think about the size of this elephant? This is telling you that an elephant would need to eat a lot because it's such a big animal. But it doesn't eat meat. It sounds like an elephant eats leaves, grasses, roots, fruits, and twigs. How would you like to have twigs or grass for lunch? I thought so. I'm ready to write about what elephants would eat. So if you are ready too, you will need to go get your writing tools and some paper. You can press the pause button if you need to go get your writing things. So after you get your things, you're going to put your paper right like this. And we will think about what the elephant likes to eat. we're going to take our writing tool, that could be a marker or a pencil, and we are going to write the words elephants eat. So let's write elephants. That's a big word, so I put a bigger line, put a space, eat. So I'm going to write elephants. You can pause and copy what I've written. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T-S. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T-S. Elephants. Elephants eat. So we're going to put eat. That's E-A. That makes the E sound. Eat. Eat. Elephants eat. And we're going to write 3 of the things that elephants eat. So you will need to put 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. Now, can you remember something this book told us that an elephant eats? Were you thinking leaves? If you said leaves, you're right. So in one of our boxes, you're going to draw some leaves. I'm just going to draw as many leaves as I can. And then I need to write the word leaves so people know what I was thinking. So I'm going to write leaves. L-E. That's an E and an A. Leave. Leaves. It has an S sound, but it also has a silent E and then a S. Leaves. What else did it say that elephants like to eat? Let's get the book. It says elephants eat leaves, grasses, and roots. Did you hear the word grasses? There's a lot of grass in the grassland. So let's put grass. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the grass. I think I'll just get a green crayon and draw some grass in this box. And then I want to label the box. So I want to put gra, which is G-R, grass. And it has 2 S's, grass, leaves, grass, and then we need one more thing that the elephant likes to eat. It said a few things in our book, but something that's really kind of cool that elephants like to eat and we like to eat too is fruit. An elephant will eat fruit. So we're going to just draw, maybe we could draw a branch with some fruit on it. Maybe put some leaves on the branch. So I'm going to write fra and put a U and an I for the oo sound, fruit, fruit. After you're done, friends, drawing your fruit and writing the label fruit, you'll want to go back and you want to color your pictures. I'm going to put green leaves over here. And let's see if I have a brown in my crayons. Oh, I've got a purple. So here's our brown. So I'm going to draw brown. Always do your personal best, friends. You want your work to be your personal best. After you're done writing your words and drawing your illustrations, you'll want to take your pencil or marker and flip it, and you will want to read what you wrote. Elephants eat leaves, grass, and fruit. That's our second page today. It is our page that is telling our readers, what does this animal eat? When you're finished, friends, you are going to press the add response. Then you're going to take a picture of what you wrote and then press check.